Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2016 Toyota Highlander.
Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, front and rear air conditioning, remote keyless entry, and much more. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 8. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.